Welcome to the configuration panel designed for traders, where you can customize your trading strategies effectively. Step 1. Save on-off entry and exit type. This feature allows you to save your chosen entry and exit parameters, ensuring consistent trading without the need for repeated reconfiguration. Step 2. Super Trend Filter. This crucial tool assists in identifying directional movements in the market, enhancing your decision-making process. Step 3. Entry colors. Customize the colors that represent your entry points on charts, aiding in quicker recognition during your trading sessions. Step 4. WCCI filter. The Weighted Commodity Channel Index helps you pinpoint potential market trends based on price momentum. Step 5. Time set to trade. Specify the times you want to be actively trading, aligning your activities with optimal market conditions. Step 6. Backtesting on/off. This toggle switches backtesting on or off, allowing you to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategies using historical data. Step 7. Enable Entry Colors drop-down menu. This menu provides options for color customization, giving you more control over how entry signals are visually represented. Step 8. Limit bar entries. Set specific limits on bar entries to manage risk effectively and optimize trading efficiency. Step 9. Paint bars and show arrows options. Activating this option enhances your chart's visibility with painted bars and directional arrows, making significant market movements easy to identify. Step 10. Time selections for sessions. Start or end. This section allows you to mark the beginning and end of trading sessions, ensuring your strategies align with relevant market hours. Step 11. Contract selections area. In this section, you can choose the number and type of contracts you wish to trade, adjusting your exposure according to your strategy. Step 12. On-off extra profit and time control panel. This toggle allows you to activate or deactivate additional profit settings and time management features, offering flexibility in your trading approach. Step 13. Max gain and max loss. Set parameters for your maximum gain and loss per trade. This feature helps you maintain discipline and avoid excessive losses. Step 14. Daily profit limit. Specify a cap on your daily profit, currently set at $1,500. This ensures you lock in profits and reassess your trading strategy as needed. Step 15. Daily loss limit. Here you can set a maximum loss limit for the day, or highlighted as $1,500, which helps protect your trading capital. Step 16. Current positions. Monitor your active trades here. For example, you might see a current position labeled as Short 1, displaying unrealized profit at $590 and an at-risk amount of $195.82. Step 17. Flat All option. This feature allows you to exit all positions at once, providing a quick and efficient way to minimize exposure and manage risk. Trading parameters. Overview B5 Stop Loss. Function sets the initial stop loss level. Purpose to limit potential losses. This is a safety measure that determines how much you're willing to lose on a trade. Value. Determination, the stop-loss amount is based on your entry price and your risk management strategy. Example, if you enter a trade at $10,000 and set a stop-loss at $9,800, you're risking $200, or 40 ticks, as each tick equals $5. B6, move to break even, BE. Function, adjust your stop-loss to the entry price once a specified profit level is reached. Trigger, triggered when profit reaches 20 ticks. Outcome. This adjustment ensures that if the market price reverses after reaching 20 ticks in profit, you incur no loss. Example, if your entry price is $10,000 and your trade moves to $10,100, 20 ticks profit, your stop loss is adjusted to $10,000. If the price falls back, you exit without a loss. B7 Trailing. Stop trigger function initiates a trailing stop once a certain profit level is reached. Trigger, activated after reaching 30 ticks of profit. Purpose, allows your stop loss to follow the market price, helping to lock in profits as the trade continues to move favorably. Example, after hitting a price of $10,150, 30 ticks profit, The trailing stop would allow you to move your stop loss to $10,130, maintaining the specified trailing distance, which we'll discuss next. B8, trailing distance function, sets the distance for the trailing stop. Value maintained at 20 ticks away from the market price. Operation: if the market price increases, the stop loss adjusts upward. However, if the market price declines by more than 20 ticks from its highest point, the stop loss doesn't adjust back down. Example: if the price rises to $10,200, your stop loss is set at $10,180, 20 ticks below. If the price then drops to $10,190, your stop loss remains at $10,180, protecting a portion of your profit. Important note on tick values. In the NASDAQ market, each tick is valued at $5. This means 1 tick equals $5, 20 ticks equals $100, 30 ticks equals $150. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. For additional resources, be sure to check out the website and program links provided in the video description below. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.